Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate an address of cell which is stored in row major order and column major order. So we would start with a program and write a header file, hash include iostream using namespace standard int main, and then we will declare the row and column. The data would be of integer type. We would declare the maximum size of the array, and we would also declare the base address which from which it would be starting, and also the address of the array which we want to find. So we would print out put the value of row and column to get the address, then we'll enter the value of row and column. Then we would print out for row major order. Then it would be manual address calculation on compiler address calculation. Manual address calculation, it would be, we will then use the formula. It would be the address of which we want to find is equal to the base address plus column size into row plus the column. So that's the calculation formula of row major order, order. And then we would print out the address of the given cell, and also we would that's the manual address calculation, the calculation done by the formula of row major order. And we'll also print out the normal compiler calculation that's here. Then we would print out for column major order. Now we'll find the base address, the address of the cell on column major order. We will use the address equal to base address plus row size into column plus row, the row size and the column size. So with this this is the manual calculation formula of column major order. We will then print out the column major order, the address which has been calculated from column major order, and this is the manual address calculation. And at the same time we would also write the compiler calculation of the row major order, and then that's the end. So we would let me show you an example. Here it's asking the user to put the values of row and column to get the address. So we'll enter the row value as 4 and the column value as 5. So we'll enter. So here for row major, that's the for manual address calculation, it's coming this value, and for the compiler address calculation is coming this way. In case of for column major order, it's coming this answer, and that's the manual address calculation, and the compiler address calculation is this. So this has been there's been a difference in case of column major order in for the given cell. It has been because in the C++, it has been done using row major order. So we can see in manual address calculation, while using row major order, the manual address calculation and the compiler address calculation is same. But in case of the column major order, while the manual address calculation is such value, the manual both in case of column major order, the manual address calculation and the compiler address calculation is not the same. It's because the C++ generally follows the row major order. So that's how it goes. And yeah, with this I would conclude my video. Thanks for watching.